Hi, I'm Analou. Welcome to Ateneo de Dabao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add an activity quiz. This is my dashboard, and this is the course I created for this tutorial. Let's click the course. This is the default section of the course. To add an activity quiz, first, turn editing on. Click Add an activity or resources. Then select Quiz. The first thing we do is to create a course name. For example, Quiz 1. Write a description. This is If you want the description to be appear, just click Display Description on course page. Timing, where you can set when to open and close the quiz by clicking the Enable button. Then, click Save and Return to Course or Save and Display. That's all. I hope you learned from this tutorial. I enjoy sharing tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Check our other tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you!